Hi, I'm Eddie with Pristine Property Management. At Pristine, we want our property owners to be confident their properties are cared for and secure. A property that is well kept results in quicker rentals and happier tenants. Protecting and maintaining your investment is our top priority. No more midnight interruptions. We are on call and available 365 days a year. Our maintenance coordinator and team will oversee a tenant repair request until it is resolved. Tenants can submit work orders through our tenant online portal or by phone 24/7 with a live operator. All maintenance and emergency repair requests are documented in our management system, Appfolio. Through the owner portal, you can easily track when a repair request was placed, completed, and even see photos and the receipts. For repair requests over $150, we require owner pre-authorization. We conduct routine inspections to ensure your investment is protected and handle repairs promptly. We coordinate our maintenance through vetted and insured vendors, and when specialty trades are required for a licensed plumber, electrician, or HVAC contractor, we utilize their expertise. We will not work with just anyone. We want them to be responsive, honest, have fair pricing, and take good care of your property. We strive for excellence. Our maintenance team is trained to provide top quality service and request a Google 5-star review. At Pristine, you can rest assured that maintenance will be handled in a timely and professional manner. Contact us today.